Takes a lot of thought to write a love song this special.
My baby loves me when I'm stoned, as long as I find my way home. No, my baby, she don't care about the songs I sing or the clothes I wear. Loves her late night calls on the telephone. And my baby loves me when I'm stoned. Oh, she makes me see the picture, and she makes me see red. She puts me on a pedestal and then messes with my head. She don't want me in an office or in a three-piece suit. She'd rather see me in dirty jeans and boots. My baby loves me when I'm stoned, as long as I find my way home. No, my baby, she don't care about the songs I sing or the clothes I wear, and loves the late night calls on the telephone. And my baby loves me when I'm stoned. There we go. Every time that we're together, oh, she cuts all the slack. She knows I ain't myself till I knock a couple back. It'll lead your life to ruin, take you to an early grave. At least that's what